ಈ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ನ್ಯಾನೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಒಂದು ಅನುಕೂಲಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಈ ಒಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಏನಿದೆ ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಜನ. ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದು. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹಲವು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇದೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಜಾಥಾ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಸುಮಾರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸುಮಾರು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೊಡನೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಬಳಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಖಂಡಿತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫೋರಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಭಾಷೆನ ಬಳಸಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ.
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಚಾರದ ಕೊರತೆ ಬಹಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಂ,
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಅದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅವರ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ವಹಿಸಿ ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಒಂದು ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡುವಂತೆ ತಾವು ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು.
ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಸಲಹೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳಸಿದ್ವಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ. Can you hear me? Yes. Yeah, this is possibly to the minister and maybe the secretary also can address this. Have we created a defense application group under nanotechnology in Bangalore? Because that will be a contribution, because I know that nanotechnology has a lot of applications in defense. Have we created a group for that?
So we don't have a specific group looking at defense technology, and defense is also more of a Indian government subject. But we have engagement with various defense research institutes which are in Karnataka, and we certainly incubate and support startups which are working in this domain. So our immediate interaction, if you see, it is with startups and students. So with students also we have a center of excellence which was on aerospace and defense, which ran programs for training students in this technology, but more so with startups. And going forward also we are planning certain large scale incubation facilities which would be focusing on Deftronics.
ಡೆಲಿಗೇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಬಾರಿ?
3,500.
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫೀಸ್
brochure ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
All the details are given in the brochure. There is offer for people who sign up early, but if you sign up late, then full fee for 3 days amounts to around 10,000. Early fee, it comes to around 7,000. There is option to register for certain days also, and students have a much lower registration fee.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇನ್ನೇನೇ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ಊಟ ಸಹ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲಂಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಲಂಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ questions amongst yourself. Before we close, I would request the Executive Chairman of Active Scientific Communications, Mr. Jagdish Patnagar, for the concluding remarks and words of thanks. I think the media afterwards will have the photograph.
Hello. Good noon, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, I would like to thank our Honorable Minister Shri N.S. Bosiraju, Honorable Minister for Minor Irrigation and Science and Technology, Government of Karnataka. In fact, yesterday only I had a wonderful interaction with him, and I was fascinated to see the kind of interest he was showing. He asked specific questions about the 3 focus areas that we are talking about, and also brought to the attention that nanotechnology can do a lot in his 2 areas of favorite subjects, which is water and agriculture. And we did promise him that moving forward, we will be focusing on these 2 important subjects also, maybe in the subsequent conferences. I'm also thankful to always present, omnipresent I would say, Professor C.N.R. Rao, who has been so fascinating personality, has been deeply involved in this event, and despite health challenges, he continuously monitors. Just last week we went and briefed him about the progress of the event, and we deeply thank him for his support that he has always provided for this program. Again, all these years, Professor Ajay Sood, who's not present today, but again I feel his presence because he lived and breathed Bangalore, India, and he was the conference committee chair. Now, of course, you know that he has moved to Delhi as a principal scientific advisor, so there are limitations to his role. But again, Bangalore is so fortunate that we have fantastic personalities who are guiding us. Now, Chairman Professor Naukan Bhatt, under his leadership, this entire program is moving forward. He brings a lot of energy, enthusiasm, his deep understanding, connect across India, and that is what is helping us take this program to the next level. Professor Anil Kumar, who was always deeply involved in this project earlier, he has been part of Nano for the Young, he has been curating posters, and this year he has taken up a big responsibility of entire conference curation. So again, Professor, we are deeply thankful to you and your entire conference committee. There are so many wonderful personalities who, some of them are here, some of them are not here, but just to take quickly a few names, because they have relentlessly worked on this development of this entire program, whether it is conference, whether it is awards, whether it is poster, whether it is nano quiz, and so on and so forth. So, I would like to just mention that Professor G.U. Kulkarni, Professor Ram Gopal Rao, Professor Ashok Ganguly, Professor Sampath, Dr. Vemula, Professor Ghosh, Professor Udayan Ganguly, Puneet Mehrotra, Dr. S. Swaminathan, of course Shashi Shekhar Adiga, then we have Dr. Taslim Arif, Dr. Suraj Rangarajan, BLB Prasad, Professor Ishwar Murthy, and if I have missed out some names, I'm not taking this name just like that. I'm deeply and honestly telling you that without their involvement in so many diverse activities of this program would not have reached the kind of a recognition that it has achieved today. So deeply thankful to each one of them for their contribution. Of course, Dr. Ekrup Kaur, who's the secretary of the Department of IT, Department of Biotechnology and Science and Technology. Just we were talking of the little while ago, and she has not even completed 1 year, and I told her, it doesn't feel like that you have not completed 1 year in this year. The kind of deep involvement and control and promotion and everything that she does, it's so fascinating to have leaders like her, and good things attract good things. So that is how we have the managing director also, Shri Pawan Kumar, who's now spearheading Science and Technology Department, and the way under his leadership Science and Technology Department is taking programs to different district levels. That is also something very fascinating. So I would like to place on record great support that KSCEPS and the leadership, and of course all this program becomes possible because of great support from the industry, great support from different universities, our Global Innovation Alliance, partners from different countries, electronic, print and digital media, and our trade partner journals who are supporting in promoting this program everywhere. So thanks to each one of you for making this program. We are looking forward to making it a grand success. 4 years, that's too long a period. There is a gap, and we would like to now really meet, and we are excited to meet you in the first week of August. Thank you.